Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm gonna guide you through how to fix bad camera quality on TikTok. So talking about TikTok, you can find videos relating to almost all interests on TikTok, from DIY tricks and makeup tutorials to gaming and sports. People are allowed to let their imagination run wild on TikTok, as there isn't really a right or wrong type of content. So TikTok has filters and quality to make your videos look more better and attractive. Now you might have a question on your head on how to improve TikTok video qualities or how to fix bad camera quality to make your video look more attractive, isn't it? So if yes, watch out the full video and learn how. First of all, click on the TikTok application. Now click on the option Me, and then click on the three vertical dots in the upright corner. Now scroll down and click on the option Data Saver. Now you can see a written statement just below Data Saver that Data Saver will reduce your cellular data usage. Videos may be at a lower resolution to take longer to load. This won't apply when your Wi-Fi is on. So if you turn it on, your video will not be so of good quality, so make sure that you turn it off so that you can have a good camera quality and fix bad camera quality on TikTok. So it's really simple, guys. This is how you fix bad camera quality on TikTok. So if you found the video to be useful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you have any queries, put it down in the comment section. We'll see you on next video. Goodbye till then.